Hey everyone, let's talk about a word you probably use every single day, maybe without even thinking about it. The word good. Today, we're going to ditch that word and learn some powerful alternatives that will make your English really shine. Ready? Let's jump in.
So, be honest with yourself for a second. How many times have you said something was good today? Good morning, good job, this coffee is good. We all do it, but, good is kind of like plain toast. It does the job, but it's not very exciting, is it?
Just feel the difference here. She's a good student. Okay, fine. But she's an outstanding student. Wow, now that gets your attention. Same with a movie. It was good is forgettable. It was amazing makes me want to see it. Using stronger words like these is a total game changer for sounding more natural and expressive.
Okay, first up, let's talk about people and the awesome things they do. Complimenting a coworker, praising a friend. These are perfect moments to use a word that has real impact.
First on our list is brilliant. This is all about brain power and serious talent. So a good teacher might explain things well, but a brilliant teacher is someone who truly lights up the room and inspires people. It's for intelligence that really sparkles.
Next, we've got outstanding. I love this word because it literally means something that stands out from the crowd. It's not just better than average, it's on a whole other level. You use this when someone's performance is just head and shoulders above the rest.
And here's a classic. Excellent. This word just screams top quality. It's professional, it's strong, and it means the work is pretty much flawless. If someone turns in a report or has an idea that is just top-notch, excellent is the word you're looking for.
Now, impressive is all about the wow factor. It's about the effect that something has on you. When you see something and your first thought is just, whoa, that's incredible, then it was impressive. It's something that makes you step back and just admire the skill involved.
All right, so to recap for people and their work, we have brilliant, outstanding, excellent, impressive, and talented. 5 fantastic words right there. So let's move on to our next set.
Okay, we've covered people, but what about, everything else? The food we eat, the places we go, the movies we watch. These experiences are the spice of life, and they deserve way more than just being called good.
Let's start with a really popular one, amazing. This is for things that genuinely surprise you or fill you with a sense of awe. That view from the top of the mountain, it wasn't just good, it was absolutely amazing. It took your breath away.
Ooh, captivating. This is such a great word. You know when a story just grabs you and refuses to let go? That's captivating. It has captured your attention. You can't put the book down, you can't stop watching the show, you're completely hooked.
Now for spectacular. This word is for your eyes. It's for big, bold, dramatic visuals. A huge fireworks display, a breathtaking sunset over the ocean, a massive stage production. If it's a true feast for the eyes, it's spectacular.
And sometimes you just want a word that feels warm and happy, That's where wonderful is perfect. It conveys this sense of pure pleasure and joy. It's not about being shocking or dramatic. It's just about feeling genuinely good and happy. A truly wonderful feeling.
So for all those experiences and things, we've got amazing, captivating, spectacular, wonderful, and fantastic. Each one paints a much clearer picture than just saying something was good.
Okay, so just hearing these words is one thing, but using them is how they really stick in your brain. So, how about we do a quick little challenge to lock them in? You ready? Let's do this.
All right, first one. Picture this. You're in a meeting, someone suggests something, and you think it's more than just good. What could you call it? Go on, think of one.
Yes, you could say, that's an excellent idea, or that's a brilliant idea. Either one works perfectly. See how much stronger that sounds? Great job.
Okay, next up. You're listening to someone with an incredible voice. Calling them a good singer feels like an understatement. What's a better word you could use to describe their natural ability?
Exactly. You could say they're a talented singer that speaks directly to their natural gift. Or if they just blew you away, you could even say they were an incredible singer. Perfect. And last one. You just walked out of a movie that you absolutely loved. You want to tell your friend they have to see it. How would you describe it? What's better than good?
You got it. It was fantastic. Or maybe it was so enthralling you'd say it was captivating. Both of those are going to get your friend much more excited than just saying it was good. You're a natural at this. At the end of the day, that's what this is all about. Your vocabulary is like a toolbox. Good is like a basic hammer. It works for a lot of things, but sometimes you need a more specific, more powerful tool to really get the job done right.
And listen, the fact that you're even watching this means your English is already good. You're already putting in the effort. This is just about adding that little bit of extra polish, that next layer, to take your communication from just good to truly outstanding.
So, I'll leave you with this little challenge. Today, try to find one thing. It could be a cup of coffee, something a coworker did, or a song you hear, and use one of these new words to describe it. What will you find that is outstanding today? Thanks so much for joining me.